Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope you will fine. I am your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Okay, observe the slide. Okay, in these all activities are performing the different person are here. The teeth. Yes. Identify the topic. Teeth. Okay. Make the children have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. They are called the milk teeth or baby teeth, and there are 20 of them. Slowly, the permanent teeth grow in and take the place of the milk teeth when they fall out. Okay, it means the newborn babies, and after 6 months, their new teeth grow into their mouth. They are approximately 20. Okay, but when they grow slowly, the milk teeth fall down and the permanent teeth grow. Okay, now permanent teeth, everyone, look at this slide. Yes, it's your book picture. Everyone look at here. Yes, permanent teeth take the place of milk teeth. An adult had approximately 32 teeth. Okay, now observe this picture. There are two pictures. In the first picture, you can observe there are the tartar. There is a sticky yellow layer on their teeth. Teeth get thin sticky layer of germs. These germs, have you observed? Yes, this is the sticky yellow sticky layer on our teeth. If we don't brush our teeth, so these layer stick. Stick mean just like a sticker, paste on our teeth. Okay, stick on our teeth. These are called the plaque. Okay, yes. In a second picture, yes. Everyone look at here. The plaque, after some time, this sticky coating create hole in teeth and cause decay. Decay means rotting. Okay. First, sticky layer stick on our teeth, and after some time, it will change into this. Okay, and damage our teeth. Okay. Now, how many types of teeth? There are the four type of teeth. First one, canine, incisor, molar, and premolar. Okay, these are the picture of these type of teeth. There are four different type of teeth. Okay, in our bottom jaw, you can observe the premolar are 2 plus 2 both sides, molar 3 plus 3 both sides, canine 1 plus 1 two side, and incisors 4 on the front side. Okay. Now, take the screenshot of this because the activity number 2 you will complete with this help. Okay, everyone take the screenshot. Yes, bete. Okay, make a list of the kind of food you eat. Which of these food would it be difficult to eat without incisor? When we eat anything, we use our front teeth. Just like when we eat a banana and we crush the surface of the apple, we eat the sandwich, we use the front teeth. They are called the incisor. Okay, incisor word come from this Caesar. You will learn this word from this word Caesar. Okay, this is your book picture. There are the four different type of the teeth. Canine, this is the pointed teeth. You can observe in this picture. Okay, yes. And now next one, molar. These are the, yes, these are the molar teeth. They are strongest and wider, okay, as compared to the other teeth. Premolar teeth. These are the premolar, okay, just next to the, yes, canine. Now, they are used for chewing the food. Chewing mean chew, convert into small pieces. Okay. Now incisor, cut and chop the food. Incisor, yes, everyone learned this word from the scissor. Scissor used for cutting. Same here, the incisor teeth we use for the cutting. They are here on the front of our mouth. Okay. Now in this slide, you can take the position. Yes, you can observe these all types of teeth. Oh, oh. Now, first one incisor, canine, molar, and premolar. Okay. And you can take the slide of this. This picture is helpful for the labeling of the teeth. Okay. Good. Take the slide. Okay. Now, the teeth. Open your book and yes. Okay. Page number 11. Yes. The teeth at the front of our mouth are used for cutting. The teeth at the front of your mouth are used for cutting or biting food. These biting teeth are called incisor. Okay, incisor used for cutting. Okay, next one, incisor are shaped like a tiny chisel. Chisel just like a flat end and sharp end with flat end that are quite sharp, just like a axe. Okay, these teeth are used for the cutting and chopping food. Think back to the time when you ate an apple. When you eat the apple, you use your front teeth. They are the, yes, incisor. You use your incisor to crunch into the skin of the apple. Crunch means when we cut the surface of the apple, so sound is produced. Okay, sound is produced, that is the crunch into the skin of the apple. The pointed teeth beside mean next to the, okay, the pointed teeth beside your incisor are called canine teeth. Canine teeth are pointed. Okay, this is used for tearing the food because these teeth are pointed and also sharp. They have tear food. Okay? Yes. Canine teeth are used for tearing the food. Clear? Okay. Sometime when we eat the meat, so we use this canine teeth for the tearing meat. Okay? When we eat the leg piece, so we use this canine teeth. And for any tearing of things, so we use canine teeth. They are pointed. Now, the bigger, flatter teeth next to our canine teeth are called the chewing and grinding teeth. These are called premolar teeth used for the chewing food. Chewing means chabana. Okay? Premolar teeth used for chewing food and molar are used for the grinding teeth. Molar are strongest. Strongest means strongest of all the teeth. They are wider and stronger than the premolar. Okay, there are the four different type of teeth. First one we have discussed the incisor. Incisor are used for the cutting. Okay, and next the canine teeth. A canine teeth are the pointed teeth, sharp teeth and pointed, and we use for the tearing food. Okay, when we tear anything, just like we have given the example of the when we eat the leg piece of the chicken, so we use our canine teeth, and when we tear any cloth, so we use our canine teeth because they are pointed. We can cut easily. Okay, and we can tear it very easily by these type of teeth. These are the canine teeth. And the next one, the bigger teeth or flatter teeth are after the canine teeth, the molar and premolar teeth. Premolar teeth used for the chewing teeth. Chewing, chewing the food by the help of the premolar. Okay, and molar, you are the very thickest of the teeth, and they are wider, stronger then the premolar. Now, premolar, yes, premolar are 2, 2 both sides, molars pair, 3, 3 both side, canine, 2, 2 both side, in a bottom jaw, see? And 4 incisor in the front of our teeth. So there are approximately 32 teeth are present in our mouth, and these are detail of the permanent teeth, okay? These teeth are the detail of the permanent teeth. If the question will come, write a short note on the teeth, so you can write these points, okay? Take the screenshot and you can point out in your book, okay? Now, do you know about which things are harmful for our teeth? There are so many things for which are very harmful for our teeth. First, gutka is a mixture of the betel nut and tobacco. It is very dangerous to eat gutka because it can cause oral cancer. Oral cancer means mouth cancer of the mouth. Have you seen the packet of the cigarette? Yes. Have you seen? Yes. If you have seen the packet of the cigarette, is there the picture of the mouth. That is the oral cancer's picture. Okay. If you want to see the packet of the cigarette, so you can observe this picture. This is very dangerous picture. Okay. So avoid these things. Yes, because these are very harmful for us, for our lungs, for our mouth, because it can cause of the oral cancer. Oral cancer. Okay. Now, how can we look after our teeth? We can look after our teeth by the use of these tips. These tips are very important. First, I want to discuss here how we use the brush. Okay, use the soft brush. Everyone use soft brush. Okay, brush your teeth with a fluoride toothpaste, and a soft brush is the best way to keep your teeth in good condition. When you brush your teeth, so you should use this soft brush, okay? Because the gums are very sensitive, so we should use the soft brush. Try to brush after eating or at least twice a day. In a one day, you will brush your teeth approximately 2 times, in a morning and in a bed timing. Before the bed timing, you can use brush, okay? It is especially important to brush before bedtime, okay? And every time you eat sugary food, and when every time when you eat the sugary food, means sweets and chocolates, so you should brush your teeth, okay? And after eating these things, sugary food, you should use the brush, okay? Brush your teeth, that is the must for it. It is number 2 point. It is also important to visit your dentist. What is the dentist? Yes? Do you know what is the dentist? A person who checks and looks after your teeth. A person who check and look after your teeth. They are called dentist. Listen again. A person who checks and look after your teeth. They are called dentist. So go to the dentist at least after 6 months. Okay. Drink milk every day and eat a balanced diet. Drink milk every day. Why? Why you drink milk? Because it has a calcium rich food in our milk. So we should drink the milk every day and eat a balanced diet. This would help you have strong teeth because the calcium make our teeth strong. So it is very important. Okay, calcium, we should take the calcium. Okay, now this would help you have strong teeth because calcium make our teeth strong. Our teeth look like a bone, okay, and our bones need calcium. We have already discussed in the previous classes. The calcium is very important for our bones. So our teeth just like a bone. So it's need, our teeth need the calcium. We should take when we drink the milk. So milk has a calcium. So calcium help our teeth to make it strong. Okay. Now eat fruits. Number 4 point. Eat fruits and vegetables. They are good for the teeth. Eat fruits and vegetables. Green vegetables are the, yes, are very important. They are good for the teeth because they are very important for our teeth because vitamins and minerals are there in the fruits and vegetable. If we take and eat these things, so our teeth become the stronger. Okay. Okay, now the point number 5. Avoid too many sweetened and sweetened drink as they are not good for our teeth. Sweetened drink, which things which are full of the sugar. Sweetened drink, if we take any type of juices, they have all so many more quantity of the sugar. So we should avoid it. Yeah, we should take any little amount, okay? Because the more sweets are harmful our teeth. If we take the more chocolates, if we take the more sweets, so they are harmful for our teeth. And when we take these sweetened drinks and sweets, so we should brush our teeth. That is the must for us. Okay. And when we use your brush, so you should take the limited amount, just like a piece of a pea मटर के दाने ठीक है you can take the little amount of the paste because it has a fluoride and fluoride is very good for our teeth but it is harmful for our internal organs okay it disturb our the mentally and stomach it will disturb and harmful for the internal organs so we should take the fluoride paste use but in a little amount just like a piece of the pea okay avoid too many sweets and sweetened drinks as they are not good for our teeth but sometimes children take the chocolates so you should brush your teeth okay now okay we have discussed the function of the teeth there are the four different type of the functions we have discussed function of the teeth we use the incisor teeth okay, canine teeth, molar teeth, and premolar teeth. And we have discussed these functions. Canine teeth have tear food, okay, and molar has grind food, and premolars have chew food. Incisor, which are present in the front of our mouth, the incisor have cut and chop the food, okay, and next to the incisor there are canine teeth have to tear the food and next to the canine there are the premolar teeth premolar have chew the food okay and molar are halves for the grinding food okay now these four different type of the teeth which we have discussed incisor canine molar and premolar and we have already yes in this picture you can observe the different type of the teeth and individually if you want to see the picture of the teeth so you can observe this picture okay this is the molar are the biggest and strongest as compared to these type of the teeth and molar is stronger and it is strongest as compared to these canine and incisor canine are the sharp and pointed teeth incisor are the flat at the end because this is side pose of this teeth so you cannot see the flat types okay but it is the flat if you want to observe so you can chalk your front teeth in this picture you can observe these are the canine teeth incisor teeth okay and pointed teeth is a canine it is a sharp and pointed okay it is used for the tearing by these tip you can tear the food or anything okay these are the front teeth these are the incisor and this is the canine teeth. Okay. And after next to the canine, there are the molar teeth. Okay. First or second molar teeth. Okay. Two are molar teeth. Premolar teeth are here. First one the premolar and second one premolar, and then two premolar. There are the three molar teeth. First, second, and third. These are the three molar teeth are here. Okay, and it is also called the wisdom tooth. Sometimes we say akaldar. Okay, third molar is also called these. Okay, this is the picture of the. Okay, now in a we have already discussed the function of these incisor, canine, molar, and premolar, and we have already discussed the 10 minutes. Okay. Now, milk teeth are the first. Milk teeth have approximately 20. There are the 20. Baby has the 20 teeth. Mostly student, yes, baby teeth are 20th teeth. There are, most children have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. These are called the milk teeth. Baby teeth and also called the baby teeth and milk teeth. And there are 20 of them, but the teeth we have when we are little are not the same as those we will have when we grow up. Slowly the milk teeth fall down and the permanent teeth take the place of the milk teeth. Okay, these the permanent teeth are the 32 and milk teeth are the 20. Okay, there are the child, mostly babies in a 3 years complete the baby teeth set in a 3 years, and then the adults have a 32 permanent teeth. In a 32 permanent teeth, four type of different tooth are present in our mouth. The main function of the teeth are here, digest the food. We chew the food, we cut the food. Okay, and it's also teeth make our smile beautiful. Okay, if we keep our teeth neat and clean, so in a white, so it's enhance our smile. We should follow the step. Yes, looking after your teeth. Yes. In this slide, you can observe the five very easiest steps. If you want to write the answer, the looking after your teeth, so you can summarize these points into the short term. Just like a brush your teeth with a fluoride. Fluoride should be taken in a little amount. Okay. Now, in the next point, and use the soft brush. Now, it is also important to visit your dentist at least once every 6 months. Okay, and drink the milk every day and eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet means we should take the proper amount in limited amount. Don't take the more glasses of milk you drink every day. Just take a limited amount. 1 glass of milk is enough for you. Okay, so you should take 1 glass of milk daily because milk has a calcium, and calcium is very important for our bones, and our teeth is just like a bone. Okay, so it's need the calcium and it's keep and protect by the fluoride. Okay, this would help you have strong teeth. Now the 4 point, eat the fruit and vegetables. They are good for the teeth. We should take the fruit and vegetable because fruit and vegetable have the vitamins and minerals, and these both things are very important for our teeth. So we should take daily, on a daily basis we take the fruit. Okay, are you taking? Yes, good. If you take the fruit on a daily basis, so it will good your for your teeth and for your health. Okay, avoid too many sweets and sweetened drinks as they are not good for the teeth. Avoid too many. It's mean you can take a little amount. Okay, avoid too many. Too many mean more quantity you can't eat. Okay, but if you want to take the sweets, so you can take the little amount of the sweets on in your uh, yes, in your food. And sweetened drinks. Sweetened drinks means those type of drink which have a more quantity of the sugar. So you should take the little amount of the drink which have the sweetened drinks as they are not good for the teeth. Okay, look after your teeth. Use the little amount of the fluoride. We have already discussed the pea size. Pea size fluoride paste you can use for your brushing. Brushing is very important for you. Mostly students have a sticky layer on their teeth. So after some time, the plaque convert into the decay and they cause the damage your teeth. And teeth decay or rooting both are the same word. Okay. So cause the decay. If you don't take the brush. Okay. If you not do the brush, so your sticky layer stick on your teeth and that is very harmful and it create a hole on your teeth and that is the cause of the decay or rooting means damage your teeth. Okay, so you should brush your teeth and use soft brush. Okay, I hope I okay. Now everyone come on the home task. Take a slide of this picture. Everyone take a slide short screenshot. Now, take a screenshot of this slide. Yes, take a screenshot of the slide. Function of the conclusion and homework. Conclusion, homework. Conclusion, we have already discussed the function of the teeth, looking after our teeth. Okay, we have already discussed here. In a home task, complete all book exercise in your fair copy. Briefly explain about the plaque. Okay, it is a sticky layer of germs. Okay, make a mind map on two type and their function. You can observe the mind map picture is there. Okay, you will make a two type clouds. First you make a cloud and write the 8 points about it. How will you write the 8 points? There are the 4 lines. First you write the name of the teeth, just like a canine, molar, premolar, and incisor. These are the 4 names. First you write the name. Okay, on this, yes, here you will write just name. And then right after writing the name, you will write the one line about each function. You can take the help from the page number 10. Okay, when you make the mind map, everyone take the screenshot. Is it done? Okay, now listen carefully. When you will make a mind map in your copy, so you should take the help from book page number 10. Okay, make a mind map on your tooth type. Tooth type, first you write the tooth type means first you write the name of the teeth. Okay, which we have discussed 4 different type of teeth: canine, incisor, molar, and premolar. These 4 type of teeth. And then you will write the function of the teeth. Canine used for the tearing food, molar used for the grinding food, premolar used for the chewing foods, and incisor used for the chopping food. These 4 functions you will write also, and in this way you will complete your 8 point in this mind map. Okay, first you write the name of the tooth types, and then you will write the one line about each one. Okay, what do the canine do? What do the molar? What do the premolar? Okay. Now, if any question, ask in chat box. If there is any query in concern, so you can write in your chat box and I will answer you. Now, pre-reading task, read the unit number 4, Animal Kingdom. In tomorrow, inshallah, we will learn about the animal kingdom. Underline the difficult words if you feel, so underline them, okay? And indicate the important point of the unit. If you understand about the topic, so you can underline these points, okay? Okay, I will show, next slide. Okay, open your book, page number 12. Next slide. Okay, take a screenshot of this slide. This is very important slide. Okay, because there are the matching column, page number 12. Open your book, page number 12, and take a screenshot of this slide. It is a homework. Okay, in a first matching column are there. Okay, column A match with the column B. Okay, and you will check your answer from these numbers. And here in a B, answers the following question. Which question are short? So SH is there. It's mean this is the short question. First, second, and third question are short. Okay. And mention the page number are here. Page number 10, page number 11, and page number 10. You can find the answer of these questions from these pages. Okay. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now the page number 11, the you can this is fourth question is a descriptive question. Okay. And take the help from the book page number 11 and label the picture.